Find the value of the resistance and inductance. So we need to find R and L, for which some things are given. What are they? First we look it. Current is given. What is this current? Is current phasor. Actually he did not use bar in their literature, in their notation, but I want to put a bar to differentiate from the magnitude. 1.5 at an angle of minus 35 degrees amperes, and voltage is given. Only voltage magnitude is specified as 240 volts. Here you have to understand something clearly, that somebody told that this is the current, its angle is 35 degrees. What does it mean is that with respect to voltage, this is the angle. This is voltage is at 0 Vs, then current is at an angle of minus 35. That is what the meaning. This is 35 degrees. This is the current phasor. This is the Vs. So somebody here in this problem, they did not talk about these things, that where is the voltage, is the voltage reference or not, that they didn't talk about anything, but simply they gave the current angle. Once current angle is given, means it must be with respect to voltage. So what is the voltage angle? Is reference. How much is the reference angle? Is 0. Clear? So we can write the Vs phasor as magnitude is 240 at an angle of 0. By looking at the given corresponding things, I can write up these things. Next is frequency is given. So we can write up these things. XL is equal to omega L. XC is equal to 1 by omega C. 1 by omega C. And as in the initial stage, let me put up these things in. So XL, XC form only. And first what I'll do is that like this. I'll try to calculate the ZT magnitude. ZT magnitude is equal to voltage magnitude divided by current magnitude. Or even you can put up other way. Instead of only magnitude, I want to take up ZT directly. ZT is equal to Vs phasor divided by current phasor. So this is equal to 240 at an angle 0 divided by current. Current is how much? 1.5 at an angle of minus 35. How much is this? Somebody can give me the answer. 240 divided by 1.5 at an angle of, yeah, so 160 at an angle of 35 degrees. Now the situation has come to our end, that instead of the polar form, now I have the requirement of rectangular form. So what I'll do is that use your calculator, then just go with this some, like previously I explained how to visualize the polar form. Now use same situation. You try to express this in rectangular form. Or somebody has posted in the group like how to convert, how to use the calculator in polar form, rectangular form, etc. You can use those tricks also. You will get the rectangular form as J. 131.06 plus 91.77 is the impedance. Generally, try to observe one important point here, that we got the imaginary part as positive. Imaginary part as positive. What does it mean in a RLC circuit is that, what does it mean in a RLC circuit is that the ZT generally is equal to resistive impedance is R, inductive impedance is JXL, capacitive impedance is minus JXC. Now tell me, when we get this imaginary part to be positive, yes, exactly. When XL is greater than XC, we get this term as a positive. That means, so I can simply carry forward this expression as R plus J into XL minus XC. Now you compare this ZT with this, compare these two equations. Now R is readily available. How much is the R? R is equal to 131.106 ohms. What about other thing? Imaginary part is equal to XL minus XC. XL minus XC is equal to 91.77. 91.77. Clear? Yeah. So now out of these three, we got only two things, and one is with again some situation, confusing situation as XL minus XC. What we need is inductance and these things. Oh, capacitance is given. Nice thing. Capacitance is given directly. So we can put up the things here. Now substitute here. So first let me find what is omega. So somewhere I have written. So here itself let me put up. What is omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi. How much is the frequency? 50. So how much is this value? So check it. So 2 pi into 50 is 100 pi. So let me put up 100 pi instead of in like some decimals that may give wrong answers. Not wrong, like little inaccurate. So now I will try to put up those things here. So XL means 100 pi L minus 1 by XC means omega C. Omega is equal to 100 pi. C is how much? C is 40 microfarad. So into 40 into 10 power minus 6. So this is within this bracket is equal to how much? 91.77. Now you simplify and get the L. So easy. So let me put up in this way. So 1 divided by 100 pi into 40 into 10 power minus 6. So this term we will get as something 79.577. Is that correct? Check it. So when I add that to other side, so plus 91.77, then this entire thing divided by, so this is 100 pi L is equal to 100 pi L is equal to something. So I'll give you that 100 pi. So L is equal to 0.5454 Henry. So here how much we got? 171 here we got.